friends, I hope you all are having a nice, safe week. I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review of this modeling clay set or polymer clay set from Pugimtoy. And I was really excited when I had the opportunity to review this product because I've never worked with polymer clay before. So as soon as we do the quick unboxing of this, we're actually going to make a 2020 toilet paper roll Christmas ornament. So it comes with this user manual and it tells you what it all comes with. 5 clay tools. So with these tools you can do fun shapes and designs in the clay. This will help cut the clay. And you could probably roll this over it to make kind of a little grooved design. Same with this one. Okay. And then there's this bag in here. It comes with 5 beads. But actually, mine came with 7 beads, so there were more beads in here. A hairpin holder, so you can make your own hairpin. I'm going to go and dump these out so you can kind of show them to you. Just with beads. And here's the hairpin holder. And 7 ear hooks for earrings. So there's 7 of these, which is pretty cool. I think I might make another video later of how to make polymer clay earrings. And then 7 by 9 shaped needles. For phone chains. So 4 of those. And 1 brooch holder, so you can make a little DIY brooch out of clay. A key ring, or keychains. Oh look, there's actually 8 beads in there. That's kind of funny. A ring holder, so you can make a little clay ring. Pretty cute. It's a little bitty one though. It's definitely for children. So that's what comes in here with the clay. And then here's the clay itself. Comes with a nice variety of colors. Lots and lots of colors in here. And it's kind of just a flexible, moldable clay. They each come individually wrapped. And you really only get a small amount of each color. So if you need a large amount of each color, this might not be the best kit, but I think this is a fun kit for starting with. So looking further into the user manual, it shows 3 different methods on how to bake the clay when it's done. You can either use the oven, a hair dryer on the hot setting, or some type of boil method. And here's an example of how to make a Christmas tree. Some little fun things kids can make. So, now that we've unboxed this, let's get started on our toilet paper 2020 Christmas ornament project. So for the toilet paper roll part, there really wasn't a brown color in there, so the closest one that I decided would work the best is this kind of mustardy yellow looking color. So I'm going to unwrap that and get that out. And for the toilet paper part, grab the white one. And make sure you save these because I I might not be using all this. I definitely won't be using all of this one. Okay. I went ahead and grabbed myself my rolling pin. So I'm just going to kind of roll this out. Make it thinner. Okay. Rolled that out nice and thin. I'm going to use this little guy to, sure which way I want to cut this. Go like this. I'm actually going to cut that in half, like that. Just kind of roll it together. There we go. Pinch it together. So it's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. Cute little homemade ornament. Okay, so now I'm going to roll out the white one. Got a little bit of yellow in there, but that's okay. I'll just use that on the back side. Okay, so use that to measure it and cut like this. There we go. So I'm just going to start rolling it on. So now I'm going to kind of shape it a bit to make it look more like an actual toilet paper roll. So I'm going to shove that like that, flatten it out on the edges, and then I'm going to pull this up a little bit. There we go. And then just to make sure a nice little space stays in there, run this through here. Very cute. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm gonna use this one for the ornament hook. So I'm gonna put this little arrow down about right there and shove it in there. There we go. When it bakes, it'll hang from the tree like that. Got out a piece of tin foil, put it on a cookie sheet, placed my item here, but I want to make sure this doesn't bake into it. So I pulled that out, stretched it a little bit. And it says to bake for 15 minutes on a preheated oven of 248 to 266 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's kind of an odd number, so I just went with 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And we'll see what it looks like when it's all done. So I actually ended up baking it for a total of 30 minutes. It's a little bit warm still. Just kind of letting it cool down. Looks pretty cute. And as soon as that cools down a little bit more, I was gonna use my paint markers, but I actually think this Sharpie will be a lot easier to write the 2020 on, since it's gonna be such a small space. So when that cools down, we'll use the marker and write that. Okay, so I think it's cooled down enough. So, let's see here, it's kind of a small space. I'm actually going to write it this way. I grabbed an extra ornament hook from my ornament storage downstairs. We put it on here to extend it to make it easier to hang on the Christmas tree. I think this will be a fun, cute little ornament for my boys. It'll be extra fun with a little miniature Christmas tree. But you get the idea. It's not my best artwork, but this is how easy it is to make your own polymer clay 2020 toilet paper ornament. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe below.